Hey, do you want to learn how to install Hermes Agent desktop app on your Windows PC? I'll also show you how to connect Ollama with Hermes Agent desktop app, and we'll make it work that way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get to it. You need to go over to Chrome and search for Hermes desktop agent, and then you can go over to this first link which says Hermes Agent nosresearch.com. You can click on it. It's going to take you over to this page. Now on the top right, you can click on this install, and it's going to take you over to this section of the page. You can go over this Windows if you're installing it on Windows. I'm going to make a separate video for Linux and Mac OS as well. Before you needed to install it via terminal or CMD method, but now they have provided you with the desktop app, so it's very straightforward install. You just need to press on this button right here, and it's going to install a .exe file. You need to click on it. After that, you can press on this install Hermes button, and it's going to start the process. It's going to install everything for you. All right, next up, when you open up Hermes desktop, it's going to get stuck at 94%. It did for me. So all you need to do is just close it from here and open the Hermes desktop app again. And this time it's going to load to 100%. After this, you need to choose this. I'll choose a provider later. We are going to connect Hermes Agent desktop app to Ollama. Next up, we're going to go over to Chrome, and you can use any web browser. Just need to search for Ollama. Go over to ollama.com. On it, you can install for Windows. So either just go scroll down, or on the top right, there will be an option to download. So I'm just going to press on this download button and then choose your operating system. So you just need to press on the download for Windows button over here, or you can paste this command on the top in PowerShell. Just need to press on the start menu button, search for PowerShell, run it as an administrator, copy this command and paste it here. And it's going to install Ollama for you. But I've already installed it before, so I'm just going to open it up and show you. This is how it's going to look like once you have installed it. Okay, next up, you can select your AI model from here, and you can download like Gamma 4 or Qwen 3.6 from here. Just need to send hi in the send message field and send the message, and it's going to download the AI model. Now, if you're wondering, what if I want another AI model, not Gamma 4 or Qwen 3.6? In that case, you can go over to ollama.com. On it, on the top left corner, you're going to find models. You can click on that. And here you're going to find a lot of these AI models, which you can pull. So for example, let's take a look at this Qwen 3, which has a 4B model, which is the least resource hungry model right here. You can see this. It only requires 2.5 GB of space on your computer. And this other one, which is 1.7B, would require 1.4 GB. I would prefer going with this one right here, 4B. If you've got a computer or laptop with, let's say, 8 gigs of RAM, maybe you've got a MacBook Neo. In that case, I would prefer you go with Qwen 3 4 billion parameters model, which is going to be this one. Next up, I'm going to press on the start menu and search for CMD, run it as an administrator. Over here, once you've installed Ollama, you can check if you have got it installed correctly or not. So I can type in Ollama -- or -- version, and it's going to give you the Ollama version that is for us 0.30.7. Now I can type in Ollama list to check all the AI models that I've installed with Ollama. You can see it over here. I've got Gamma 4 latest installed here. Now if I want to install this Qwen 3, this one, I can just copy this right here, the name, the model name, go back to my command prompt, and I can type in Ollama pull, and then paste this Qwen 3 4B here, and then enter it. All right, now we have pulled Ollama Qwen 3 4B. All right, now I'm going to check if the Qwen 3 4B is working or not. I'm going to type in Ollama run Qwen 3 4B. I've already tried with this Ollama list, so I can see that it's installed. Let's press on enter here, and there you go. I can send a message, and it works completely fine. Great. Now I'm going to close this from here. We go back to Hermes Agent, and on the top right, you're going to find settings. Open it up. In model, if you select Ollama right here, you are not going to see the one that we pulled in, the model, the Qwen 3 4B, right? So what I'm going to do is go with the local model right here, or custom endpoint, and then set up a custom endpoint. Then select local right here, local custom endpoint, and then type in this URL, http 127.0.0.1, and this is going to be the port 114.3.4, and then version 1, like this. Type it exactly like this. This is the default endpoint for Ollama. Now we just need to press on connect right here, and it's going to be set. Now we just need to close it, and on the bottom right, you're going to find this right here, the model selector. You can click on it, and then right over here, you will be able to select Quen3.4b. You can disable the thinking and the effort from here, select it, and then if I type in hi over here, it should work. Okay, it did work. It was thinking before, so yeah, you can just go over here, stop the thinking process, or you can enable the thinking process and it's going to think and then answer. So yeah, this is what it is, and you can do this. I've shown you, if you did pull a model from Ollama, how you can get it set up in Hermes. Now there are skills and tools on the left hand side. You can check them out. Tool sets, skills. I'll make separate videos on these. There's messaging as well. You can connect WhatsApp, Discord, and a lot more. There's artifacts as well. And yeah, I think that's it. That's how to install Hermes Agent desktop app on your Windows. And I've also shown you how you can get your Ollama to set up with Hermes Agent desktop app. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Hermes Agent related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.